Let's explore how to analyze log files using regular expressions, often shortened to regex. We will learn how to extract meaningful information from server logs using powerful regex patterns. Consider log files, combine them with regex, and you will gain insights. Log files are automated records of events, activities, and transactions that occur within computer systems, applications, and networks. Here's a sample server log. It includes the IP address, date and time, the request made to the server, and the status of that request, like 192.168.1.100 making a GET request to the API user's endpoint, which returned a status code of 200. Another example is 192.168.101 making a POST request to the login endpoint, which returned a 401 status code. Regex is useful for log analysis because of these reasons. Firstly, for pattern matching, regex lets you extract specific data from unstructured log entries. Secondly, it provides precision. You can target exact formats like IP addresses, timestamps, and status codes. Thirdly, it is efficient. Regex can process millions of entries in seconds. Let's discuss the common log format structure. An example is 192.168.100, followed by 2 hyphens, then the timestamp in brackets, 10th of January, 12 hours, 34 minutes, 56 seconds plus 0000. Next, a GET request to /API/users, using HTTP 1.1 protocol, which returns a 200 status code and the size is 1234. The components of the log file are IP address as 192.168.100. The timestamp is 10th of January, 12 hours, 34 minutes, 56 seconds. The HTTP request is GET/API/users. The status and size are 201,234. Here's how to extract IP addresses from log files. The regex pattern is \b, open parenthesis $?D1, 3, close parenthesis, curly braces 3, \D1, 3, \b. A Python example is as follows. Import the re module. The log line is 192.168.100 open bracket 10th /January 12 34 56 close bracket. The IP pattern uses the regex from above. The re.search method searches for that pattern in the log line. Print the match, group, and the IP address will be displayed. Now let's extract timestamps from log files. The regex pattern is open square bracket, open parenthesis, \D, curly braces 2, \W, curly braces 3, :D, curly braces 2, \D, curly braces 2, \D, curly braces 2, close parenthesis, close square bracket. Here's a Python example. Import the re module. The log line contains IP address and timestamp. The time pattern will use the regex from above. The re.search method searches for that pattern in the log line. Now, print the match group 1 and the timestamp will be displayed. Let's extract HTTP methods and status codes. The regex pattern is open quotation, open parenthesis, get vertical bar, post vertical bar, put vertical bar, delete, close parenthesis, \s plus dot star question mark, close quotation, \s plus, open parenthesis, \D, curly braces 3, close parenthesis. Here's a Python code example. Import the re module. The log line is GET/API/users HTTP/1.1, close quotation 201,234. The pattern is defined as the regex from above. The re.search method searches for that pattern in the log line. The method equals the match group 1. The status equals the match group 2. Here's a complete log analysis example. Import the re module. Define the function parseLogEntry, which takes a log line as a parameter. Set the pattern to open parenthesis \D plus \dot \D plus \dot \D plus \dot \D plus close parenthesis dot star question mark open square bracket open circumflex close square bracket plus close square bracket dot star question mark open quotation mark open parenthesis backslash w plus close parenthesis dot star question mark close quotation mark backslash s plus open parenthesis backslash d curly braces 3 close parenthesis backslash s plus open parenthesis backslash d plus close parenthesis. The re.search method will search for the pattern in the log line. If a match is found, return a dictionary containing the IP address, timestamp, method, status, and size. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.